In this video, I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful graphics. I am starting in Creative Fabrica. I have the Creative Fabrica All Access, and so you can see that Creative Fabrica's website has some new features to it. But I am just going to go here and I'm going to search graphics. And I actually have found some graphics that we're going to be using today. So let's look at a few of these here. I like this Santa Claus with his sleigh, and I like these turtles here, so we're going to use those. And here's a moon that I'm going to use with the Santa Claus. And here is our Canva that we are going to be using. I have Canva Pro, and so I'm going to start with a custom size here. And you can use whatever you want, pixels, inches, millimeters, centimeters. I like to use inches. So I'm just going to do an 8 by 8 inch because that gives a good resolution. So now I am going to go into a few things that I have not. Um, I did not unzip a couple of these so that I can show you how to unzip. So you actually are going to open the folder and you're just going to go up and you're going to extract all files. I'm using a PC, so I'm extracting. And the only thing that we're going to be using out of this is this Santa with reindeer. So I am going to go into my Canva here now, and I'm going to go to upload, and let's upload a few of these things here. So let's find our Santa sleigh here right here, the PNG, and I'm going to upload that. And then let's find a moon, one of the moon. I don't need to upload them all, so I'm going to make these bigger so I can look at them. Um, I kind of like this one and this one. I like where you can see the whole moon there. So maybe I'll go with this one here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my moon image in here. I'm just gonna make this a little bigger. You know, it is June right now when I'm doing this video, but Christmas comes up really fast. So now I'm going to add the sleigh in here. And as you can see, there are stars in the design. So I don't want those stars in front of the moon or on my design. So I'm going to go up here to edit. And I am going to go to my magic eraser and I am going to take these stars out because I don't want those in my design. So I'm just going to pick up a few of these stars here and just start getting rid of them here. And you can make your brush larger or smaller, however you want. But everywhere that I'm putting this purple mark will erase what I'm going over here. So I'm going to go over these quickly here. I guess I could go a little faster here by just holding my brush instead of clicking on each one. I can just go through, get rid of these stars here, and I'll do the bottom here. The same thing. I just want to get rid of these stars here. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click erase and that will get rid of those stars there for us. So now I'm going to X out of here and now you can see that I have a great design of Santa flying in front of the moon and the stars are gone. So I really like that. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. You could also change the look of the moon here by going into the color palette and making it brighter or whatever you want. You can go up into edit and you can go to adjust. You can adjust the brightness, make it brighter, darker, whatever you want to do. You can use the contrast in there. So I just wanted to show you how we can take and make that design our own there. So now I'm going to add another page here. And now we're going to start uploading some of the other designs that I brought in. So I'm going to go to my downloads here and I brought in these cute turtles. I'll make these bigger so that you can see them. And I'll show you where they are here too. We'll bring them in, but I'll show you where they are in Creative Fabrica as well. So they're just adorable little turtles. And I thought, oh, we can make some fun things with that. I like that one. That one's super cute. This one's cute. He's on his back. No, whoops. I think I just unclicked on those. So I'm just going to bring in a few here. I like this one. And I think I'll just bring those in for now. They do take a little bit to upload. And let's go and upload some more files here. But first I wanted to show you here so you can see these cute, rainy, cute turtle clip art. And then there's our moon. So I'm going to close those two here. So we don't need to look at those again. And so let's go into our design here. And let's see what else we can find. What else did I download here? Well, it looks like that's everything there. So now we can get started and get some designs made with this. So let's bring in our little turtle here. This is so cute. This one where they're covering up the little ladybug there. That's just adorable. So I'm going to zoom in here and see the image, make sure some of these AI made images have some oddities to them, but I think that looks super cute. So I'm going to actually add another page because I might decide to use something else here. So I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to bring this one in too because he's smiling here. The other one, they're not smiling in there. So let's get this. And I just don't like that flower kind of floating in space there. So I'll probably edit that and go back into my magic eraser and get rid of this flower in here. Get rid of this. And then I'll add some more raindrops to that spot. So I'm going to erase the flower. And now I'm going to bring in, as soon as this is done erasing, I'm going to bring this in. And now I'm going to bring this turtle back in again right here. And this time I'm going to take these tabs and I'm going to pull them up until I just have some raindrops here with nothing else but raindrops. And I'll move that over into our area where we just removed those flowers. And so I'm going to hit this, I'm going to Control C, Control V, and I'm going to drop that down a little bit here so that we actually have some great looking raindrops here. And I'm also going to hit Control V again and move some to this other side here as well. Just gives it a little more visibility to our design. So I really like that. So now what I did is I went online and I looked up some quotes for turtles and I found some tough as shell, yeah, you can't rush wisdom, slow progress is still progress and keep going. So let's add some words onto this one would be really cute with keep going, I think, because that's super cute. So, but you can also change the colors in this as well. So let's go to this orangish color here and we can make it look more greeny or anything else that you want to use for color. You could go down here and make it look more green or more yellow, orangey. You can do whatever you want to edit your color there. You kind of want to stay away from that. Oh, that looks really cute though with that red. It really brought out the red in the ladybug. So I might keep that there. So I forgot what we were going to add for words here. Keep going. Yeah, so that's really cute. So I'll add a text box here and I'll write keep going. An exclamation point. And I'll move this up and we'll see what we can do with it. You can always change your words to anything that you want. Now I'm going to go here to where it says Camp Sans, and you can see a lot of these uploaded fonts. I uploaded these from Creative Fabrica, and I'll have a link below to show you how to do that as well. So I'm just going to scroll through here and find something that I think might look cute with this. Hit this one and see what it looks like. Nope, I don't like that one. Maybe this one. That's kind of cute, but not what I'm looking for. Try this cute flamingo. That's really cute. Maybe I'll actually I'll make it a small K here. and a small G and see if what that looks like. If it looks a little different, you got to be sure and play with your design as much as you want. I'm going to get rid of that too. So, and then I'm going to now make this a little smaller because it's blending into my flower there. And we'll pull it over here and just pop it in here right here. And then you can go up to color here and it's going to bring in all the colors that we're using in our design. And so let's pop in this green color, might be kind of cute. So now while this is still highlighted, I'm going to go up to effects here and I'm going to go to outline and I am going to pop in a color for the outline here. That looks kind of cute, but also we could pop in that orangey color that we brought in. And then you could also make it thicker or thinner, however you want to do it. And so we'll just leave it like that for now. And I'll move on to this next one here. So let's add a text box here as well. Oopsie. Let's add a text box. I think I just deleted something up there, but add a text box here. And now what should we put on for our words on this one? Shell, yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's add that to that one. So I'm going to make it bigger here so that you can see. And all right. Shell, yeah. An exclamation point. Now let's see what font we're going to use with this one. Bring it over here and raise this up a little bit. Bring it up here and find a cute font to go with this one as well. Look here. Oh, slowing down here. Maybe this one. No. Home Lover. That's kind of cute for a kid. No. That's the trick is to find the right font. But that one kind of is cute. So let's shrink this size down here and get it to fit. So that is actually pretty cute. So now let's go up and change our color and let's change it to this color here, or even this color is cute too. So let's change it to that. And now while we're in there, we'll go to effects. And this time I'm going to go to hollow and you can see how that changes the look of that too. I actually do like the outline though the best. And then you can pick the color that you want for the outline here too. So maybe go with that green and then thicken it up a little bit so you can see how you can really make this look super cute. And so this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to do a few things with Canva and Creative Fabrica together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.